Hey guys. Ooh. Whew. Let's try this again. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time visiting. So today we're going to get into some eyeliner, and I'm going to show you guys some tips and tricks that I use that have helped me with my eyeliner along the way. Now, I know eyeliner has been done many times over. However, I actually got some coercing, I would say, from some subscribers and from some friends asking me about how I do my eyeliner and different things that I use in order to make myself look more awake, my eyes a little bit more dramatic, have fun with it, different things like that. So I decided to make a video and come to you guys with all of that. With eyeliner, you're not obligated to use one type. There's different types of eyeliners. You got your pencils, your gels, your liquid liners, all of those different type of things. So I use a couple of different types of liners in this video, but whatever you feel comfortable with and whatever you think is going to help you achieve the look that you're actually going for. So if you guys want to see my tips and tricks for eyeliner, keep watching. First tip is for winged liner. So I usually take a piece of tape and line it up with the outer corner of my eye. This is the easiest way to have a clean, smooth line. And I love to use liquid liner doing these type of winged liner because it's always smooth, dark, and clean. So I take the line it up with the tape, and then I bring the line all the way down to my top lash line to just make a little wing right there. And then I fill it in. After that, slowly I bring the line over the top lash line. I didn't go all the way over the line. I just wanted to do this to show you guys an example. But I just make sure that inner corner is filled in and that line is across the top. Then I take the tape and just peel it off. And as you can see, it is clean and smooth. Then when I want to be really dramatic, I take a gel stick and I line the outer corner of my eye, just the outer corner. I don't bring it over too far. Then I go over my lower lash line, which is always watery for me, so I have to do that more than one time. And as you can see, I am just lining the corner. And then I bring that tip out just a bit into the corner. Then I take a Q-tip and buff it out and clean it up. This is a great way to have your eyes be really dramatic without using too many products and too many techniques. Make sure to clean that line up really good. And as you can see here, drama. Then when I really want to look more awake, I take a nude or peach type of shadow or a pencil. My pencil broke, so I didn't have it this time. So I take the shadow and line my lower lash line with that color. Many people use white, but I like to use a nude color because I feel like it really complements brown skin. And then I just take any liner that I want and line my top lash line. This is a great way to look more awake, and I always do this on days when I am so tired, but I definitely want to look like I'm not tired and like I actually know what I'm doing for the day. So no coffee, no problem. And no liner, no problem. Take your mascara and a small brush and take the product from your mascara onto the brush and then use that to line your eyes. This is a great tip when you don't have what you need. Alright, so those are the tips and tricks for eyeliner, and I hope you guys enjoyed every single bit of it. I hope it was easy enough for you to follow so that you can do your own eyeliner yourself in any different type of way that you would like. Also, I feel like my next video might be some lipstick hacks. What do you guys think? Definitely shoot me a comment or send me an email. I've linked that all below. Go to my Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, and also to accordingtocandaceray.com. Let me know what you guys want to see. I'm here for you. And also share the video with a friend. Share my channel. It's a party, girl. Oh, I know this is not my usual way of how I film videos, but it was such a nice day outside and I really wanted to see how it would be shooting in front of natural light. So instead of me using my regular light, I'm using just my window and my chair and the background and stuff like that. So it's a very simple background. It is just my room, guys. So I hope this is a little bit better for you guys. I hope you kind of like it. Let me know how you feel about it. All right, I will see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed yourselves. See you later.